Happy July 8th, 2023. Greetings from the Northern Hemisphere. This is DannyZen coming to you live with another sunrise. Listen up, I just want to go over my morning routine as the chairman of the Go Big, Go Fast, Go Now mission to speed the U.S.'s and the planet's transition to clean, renewable energy. I'm also the founder of a future billion-dollar company, a nationwide deep energy retrofit platform called onehouseoffthegrid.com. That's O-N-E, houseoffthegrid.com, where we teach people how to say goodbye to their energy, water, and grocery bills. And it's also, many items are covered under the Inflation Reduction Act. I'll have a link in the description below this video to that video going over the details. I'm also the quote-unquote general of the U.S. Clean Air Force, so we can shut down 241 coal-fired power plants. I'll have some links in the description below this video so you can learn how to do that, okay? I'm also the author of an upcoming mind or brain span book titled How to Die of Nothing, that I'm writing as a result of overcoming both traumatic brain injuries and mercury poisoning from my 4 dental amalgam fillings. Anyways, I wanted to go over real quickly my morning routine. Why you should invest the next 5-10 minutes or so is just because this will help you to change your habitual tendencies, okay? So I woke up already and had my water. I drink actually up to 32 fluid ounces of water first thing after brushing my teeth, okay? Then I got outside, got some sun right away, just try to see the sunset. I've actually been up for a couple hours already, and so I actually will do towel bathing, a dry brush. I'll dry brush with my sponge, my loofah here. Let me show you. Where is it? There you go. So you want to dry brush since your organ, the largest organ is the skin, okay? That way you can breathe through your skin, have more energy throughout the day. After I dry brush, I'll towel bathe because I don't have a great shower filter yet. And I'll just take a washcloth like this, wet it with my distilled water, okay? And then just towel bathe, okay? And then I'll do my 3 Buddhist prostrations. I am Buddhist in the Pure Land tradition as well as the Mahayana. That's a greater vehicle for those that know about Buddhism. I'll do my 3 prostrations, bowing down to the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Buddha, the teacher. Dhamma is the way or the path. And Sangha is the community of spiritual, followers, walkers, okay? Then I will do my prayers. I will say to my dumb, stupid ego, I'm going to be fully aware of every single thought that pops up in my mind and scrutinize it before acting on it so I don't, break my 5 lay precepts or rules. The 5 lay precepts, actually, number 1, the most important is 0 intoxicants. Never ever take any intoxicants. Life is tough enough as it is to have to cloud your mind even furthermore, even if it's with marijuana, weed, pot, okay? So no intoxicants is the number 1 rule, even before killing in Buddhism. You guys didn't know that probably. Because, if you're under the influence of any drugs, psychiatric or over-the-counter or even pot, whatever, you may not think clearly and not have your full executive functioning frontal lobes of your brain, the boss or the conductor, CEO of your brain, have good judgment and restrain yourself from an action of body, speech, or mind that you would later regret or create negative or bad karma. Okay, so that's the number 1 lay precept. Number 2 precept, of course, is no killing of another human being. That's a very basic, thing. And then 3rd is no stealing of anything that's not given of value to you. There's more details on all this stuff. This is just general. 4th is no sexual misconduct, specifically adultery. Okay, it's very, very basic. No adultery. Okay, having sex with a married person. And then the last one is no lying. In the most basic definition of no lying under the 5 lay precepts, these are just for mundane people that haven't taken the vow or become a Buddhist monk, put on the robe, is no lying of any that you attain a certain spiritual level or spiritual attainment, okay? So I'll reflect on that and tame my mind and try to tame it. I tell my stupid ego, dumb ego, you've been, breaking your vows, lazy. So I will generate all my thought energies going in one direction throughout the day. And then I will actually even reflect on the 4 thoughts that turn the mind. And those 4 thoughts that turn the mind, according to Buddhism, are number 1, is this precious human rebirth. You know, if you believe in reincarnation, since energy is neither created nor destroyed, we're just going over and over in this endless cycle of birth and rebirth known as samsara, okay? So tomorrow or the next life, you never know which will come first. So that is a Tibetan Buddhist quote. Tomorrow or the next life, you never know which will come first. Actually, the odds are that the next life will come first before tomorrow, okay, morning. So guard your sense stores. That's what enters your, you know, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, whatever. Guard your sense stores is also very, very fundamental, because what you see or hear could influence what you think about. What you think about is how you might act. How you act creates your you know, personality or yeah, you know, and then your personality and your actions create your legacy, okay, and moral character. So anyways, that's that. What was I gonna say? Yeah, guard the sense stores, okay? I wish I would have known that when I was younger. So then I will reflect on the quote by Shantideva: for as long as space endures and for as long as living beings remain, until then may I too abide to dispel the misery of the world. Okay, that's one of my favorite quotes, just like His Holiness the Dalai Lama. But anyways, since I'm really disappointed, a lot of you haven't even scheduled an off-grid consultation with me. You haven't, I know some of you aren't multimillionaires, so you're probably delusional. And I know you guys, a lot of you are living lives of quiet desperation by staying at your job that at least 74% of adults, working adults, hate or you know, just putting up with, and they definitely would quit if they won the lottery, you know, tonight and would not go to work tomorrow morning or Monday morning. Okay, so if you guys want to, you know, do something and, you know, not live lives of quiet desperation, and to prove that God or Buddha still exists, please look around the links in the description below this video, or simply visit tinyurl.com/financialed101. Again, that's tinyurl.com/financialed101. Also, to learn about my future billion-dollar health education and services distribution company, since big pharma, pharmaceutical drugs are killing people, and we're dumb enough to let us, because of all the fluoride or lead in the water and the, you know, food, air is dumbing us down. Please be sure to visit tinyurl.com/healthmerica. Again, that's tinyurl.com/healthmerica, HEALTH, M as in Mary, ERICA. If you have any questions, just don't waste a nanosecond of my time, because I have a clear purpose before I take my last breath. Leave me a voicemail at my landline number at 786-441-2727. Any reasonable request, and those are willing to help themselves out, improve your quality of life, earn more money, work less, add value to people. Leave me a voicemail with your all contact information, what you're interested in, at 786-441-2727. I have a handful of big business opportunities, part-time, home-based, recession, and mostly pandemic-proof. Leave me a voicemail again at 786-441-2727, or send me an email to my alma mater address, which is dct3@cornell.edu. That's D Delta, C Charlie, T Tango, the number 3, at cornell.edu. Any of my friends out there that own a house or even renters, you need to be one of my below 1,000 club members, and that stands for below 1,000 kilowatt hour per month. Right now, I'm not distinguishing between, you know, a single family residence, home, detached home, or an apartment, okay? The link will be in the description below this video, or just go to tinyurl.com/below1000club for the details and some free energy saving tips e-guides, since it's summertime and your energy bills are probably going up. Okay, again, that's tinyurl.com/BELOW1000CLUB. Just be sure to log into your Gmail first, since the document shared on Google Drive, okay? Enjoy all the links to my other various video channels, and I look forward to getting everyone's help to counter climate change, sea level rise before it's too late, okay? Take care, everybody. Much slower response. You can send me a text message to 305-297-9360, 305-297-9360 for texting only, since I only turn that on 1 hour per week, if that, okay? Take care, everybody. Let's go do this.